How to delete Facebook page. Now let's say you no longer want to have this specific Facebook page that you've created. Now in order for you to delete this specific Facebook page, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and change your Facebook account into your Facebook page, which is right here. After changing into your Facebook page or logging on that, all you have to do is to tap on this profile icon right here. You just have to scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. You just have to click on that and go to Settings. Once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find Access and Control. So you just have to click on that and you just have to tap on Deactivation and Deletion right here. Now you have two choices, whether to deactivate your page or delete your page. Deactivation is temporary, while deletion of page is a permanent move. So if you want to permanently delete your Facebook page, all you have to do is to tap on Delete Page right here and hit Continue. Now you just have to give them the reason why you want to delete that specific Facebook page. Let's say right here and hit Continue. Now you just have to scroll down and hit Continue again. And now you have to enter your password on your specific Facebook account in order for you to permanently delete that specific Facebook page. So that's how to delete Facebook page. Hope you helped.